Welcome to Bhavna's kitchen. Today I'm making Chole Tikka Masala with puff puris and steamed rice. This recipe menu serves 4 people. Take 1 cup of dry chickpeas known as Chole Chana. Wash chickpeas really well. And I'm going to boil chickpeas into the electric pressure cooker. Stove-top pressure cooker can be used as well. Add washed chickpeas into the inner pot of the electric pressure cooker. Salt. And for 1 cup of chickpeas, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. The manual suggests way too much water, so I have my own measurement. And I'm going to set the pressure cooker to 40 minutes. Allow the pressure to release naturally so the chickpeas are nice and soft, well-boiled chickpeas. Next, it's time to make marinade masala. Into the mixing bowl, combine half cup of plain yogurt, half cup of tomato puree, ginger, garlic and green chili as per your taste, dry fenugreek leaves, paprika powder, ground coriander, cumin, turmeric, garam masala, amchur and chaat masala, salt and pepper to taste, sugar to balance the flavors. Mix it all really well. This marinade mixture turns out really flavorful, and look at the color. And now ready to add boiled chickpeas. Be sure to coat each and every chickpeas with the masala. Look at the yummy looking chickpeas. Cover and let the chickpeas absorb all those flavors. Next, it's time to steam the rice. Take 1 cup of basmati rice or your favorite kind. Wash the rice really well until the water runs clear. Again, I'm using electric pressure cooker to steam the rice. Add washed rice into the inner pot of the electric pressure cooker. Add 1.5 cups of water. Salt to taste. Give this a quick stir and close the cooker. Set the cooker to 3 minutes only for the grainy texture, 5 minutes for little firm texture, and 7 minutes for little soft texture. When done, release the pressure manually and open the cooker immediately to stop further cooking. Fluff up the rice using the forks. Coming back to the chole, the chickpeas. On a medium to high heat, take a tablespoon of oil into the pan. Add whole spices like bay leaves, cumin seeds, jeera known as, and ready to add marinated chickpeas. And now cook the chickpeas to your desired level. I kind of like a slightly dry kind chickpeas. So I just cook about 5 minutes in my light cast iron, and the chole tikka masala is ready to serve. Look at this yummy looking chole tikka masala. Next, let's make puris to go with chole tikka masala. You will be surprised that this recipe requires very few ingredients. I have 1 cup of wheat flour, chapati atta, a half cup of water. Oil is totally optional, but I usually add just a little bit of oil to prepare this dough, and salt if desired. So basically, only flour and water, those are the 2 ingredients needed to prepare the dough. I'm going to add into this mixing bowl wheat flour, then add just a pinch of salt, and as I said, optional. Mix it, add just a little bit of oil. Again, oil is optional as well. Then add little water at a time, and be sure to make hard dough. The dough should not be soft. Otherwise, when you fry puris, it soaks up a lot of oil. So add water as you go. Keep kneading and you will be able to make pliable dough like so. So as you can see, it is not soft and not too hard even, but just easy to roll kind of a dough. Cover it for about 5 minutes. Do not keep this dough longer. Just start preparing puris immediately. But I usually allow it to rest for 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, knead the dough again and you will notice that the dough gets little smooth as well. Now, pinch smaller than golf size of a ball. Flatten it out and press on the edges so that no cracks and start rolling. Don't roll too thin, keep it a little thicker like so. As you can see the thickness. When the oil is hot, start frying the puris. Press into the oil. Some will puff like this. And onto the paper towel. As you can see, they look dry. If puris do not puff, it's perfectly fine. Some will puff and some will not. Alright, so here I have my puris ready. So finally we have our complete menu ready. Squeeze fresh lemon or lime juice over the Chole Tikka Masala. Garnish with hara dhania, coriander leaves. Here are the puff puris to go with Chole Tikka Masala, and pyaz is must. Onion. This Chole Tikka Masala actually can be served with just puri or simply just with rice. So here I have the steamed rice, and for the perfect presentation, serve Chole Tikka Masala over steamed rice. Look at this mouth-watering rice and chole. Who can resist? Again, squeeze fresh lemon or lime juice. If you think that this menu is missing some vegetables, I usually love to prepare cauliflower, the gobi tikka masala to go with this menu, or simply steamed broccoli will do as well. So feel free to enjoy this complete menu however you like. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com. Thanks for watching and see you soon.